planning, of course, there are various specific things that we have to recognize. For example, what input, if any, can channel members provide into new product planning. So that's why I say it started from the new product planning stage. You have to involve the channel members and facilitating agents because they are the people who are involved in distributing and managing your potential product, right? And what has been done to ensure that new products will be acceptable to the channel members? So this new product, if you want to develop, do you think these channel members and facilitating agents will accept this new product? So you have to find out before the product is launched in the new product development stage. For example, another thing is, do the new product fit into the present channel members assortment? They may have representing various products. Does this new product of yours able to fit into their assortment, the variety of product that they have, the product mix that they are representing, and so on? Because there are various issues that they have to consider, including even the warehousing, the shelving, and so on, the assortment, and so on, the display of the product in their premises if they are retailers, for example, right? And also, let's say the transportation agents may face certain challenges like the size and design and let's say the nature of this product, whether it's perishable or fragile or not. All these have to be thought of even during the product development stage before it is launched. Sometimes it is too late when the product is launched, right? So before it is launched or developed, you have to really consider um, many channel participants' viewpoints, right? And will any special education or training be necessary to prepare the channel members to sell the new product effectively, right? Will the product cause the channel members any special problems? So all these few aspects are listed down here that we have to consider and discuss. And that's why we have these channel members and these facilitating agents to discuss with us and to get their viewpoints when we develop new product, right? And that's why you can see Stanford University is coming out with this design thinking, which is a very customer-oriented approach of coming up with a new product and in fact managing your product, including when you are actually thinking of the distribution aspects of this new product, right? I am sharing with this new design thinking, starting with this empathize, right? Define, ideate, prototype, and test. So this we actually remind us of the various strategic aspects of new product development, right? Starting from empathize, trying to know, let's say, in this case, your channel participants, including the channel members, wholesalers, right? Channel members like wholesalers, the retailers, right? And specific, let's say, agents and so on. You may need to talk to them, interview them about this new product that you are going to develop or that you are going to modify for the existing one, for example, right? And really think of defining this new product. What is the concept or benefits or the advantages for yourself and also for others? And later on, you may put into ideas and share and test that particular ideas. And after that, you will come up with a dummy or prototype for that particular specific product. If it is a physical product, is you may be able to see and touch and hold and smell that particular product, right? But if it is a, let's say, a service product, then it will be more challenging. Then you have to really document and design and really show it in a physical document or let's say a diagram and processes and so on, so that this is the service that you are going to deliver and see whether it works or not. And then you have to test with a small market and see whether they have any challenges for you to improve, right? So you can see you're actually putting the customer's interest first or your channel participants' interest first in this particular new product development or modification of your existing product that you are delivering or distributing, or they are helping to distribute, right? So this design thinking can be a very important philosophy of serving the customers, right? Putting the customers' interests first, solving problem by understanding the problem from the customer's viewpoint. Like your case, the channel participants' viewpoint, right? Okay. So please read up on this design thinking, right? Uh, for better product management. For instance, I share with you this, let's say it is a software development life cycle, then it will be a little bit different from other products. It may start with, let's say, analysis, then followed by design of that software, implementing, testing, and then release that particular software, and you have to think of maintenance of that particular software, the after sales service, and you may have to improve from time to time, working with the customers as far as that particular software or information system is concerned, right? So different product may have a little bit of a different, let's say, product development process. Okay, and we are saying that we always try to encourage the members or participants' input in managing our product, because from time to time we also don't know where our products may go wrong. So only the users or the distributors or the customers will know better the challenges. So you may have to get the responses. Same goes to this new product development stage. You have to really solicit their ideas for new product. Get feedback on the product aspects like packaging or size. Right? Solicit feedback during the test marketing or commercialization stage before it is launched. Right? And of course, it is very important to make sure that the members are accepting our new product, which we are going to launch, right? So you find that this is one of the reasons why new product failed, right? Because producers don't involve the channel members in developing new product, right? And they just launch the product and not necessarily the members will be accepting and willing to distribute this particular product. There may be various aspects that are not satisfied or do not agree with the producers, right? For example, the product may not be able to sell, and product is maybe not easy to stock or display, or product may be not profitable to them, right? So before it is launched, that's why in your new product development stage, it is very important to involve them, right? Okay, and it may be adding products to the existing assortment, like I said just now. So if you can actually talk to them, then you will know whether it is suitable for them, right? And educating the channel members, right? The manufacturer goal is of course to sell the new product successfully, right? And you may need to educate or train the channel members in the product's use and special features to emphasize in the sales presentations could be. So before the product is launched, of course, you need to really train the distributors or the channel members or even the facilitating agents, right? Okay. So in order to ensure trouble-free new product, we really need to increase the care in the new product planning so that the new product problems can be really minimized.